slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone.
Yung thermometer ko. Ayan. Binigyan ko siya ng power ko. Meron na rin siyang use.
Pwede pala yun.
Magmakla.
Sino yung may pakpak?
Malaking kamay.
Ah, kamay pala yun. Akala ko
Laba.
Akala ko may...
Labang kamay.
Kung mo na kang pagado. Yung level ko. Ano na? 71. Tajikan.
Disco ball. Bakit dalawa lang? Mali.
Sige. Ba't biglang ka?
Magmagamit niya. Tingnan mo ito.
Yan, tinira mo sigaw?
Hindi, ako yung nagkumano ito.
Disco ball. Papanood din ng mga nagro-roll. Sino yun?
Hoy. Kalaban dapat namin kasi nasa Marines siya eh. Kami pirates.
Naging friend ba yun?
Hindi.
Nalipad
Naatake
ako.
niya yung mga iba pero kami hindi naman masyado.
Nalipad ako. Nahulog na ako.
Nag-join sila ano, nakita ko. Inag ako.
Yohan.
Yung bastos later.
Anong tawag dyan sa... Ano?
Laro?
Dyan. Sa place na yan.
Sea of Dreams.
Kasi sa itatype ko yan dun.
Sea of Dreams.
Oo nga, Sea of Treats. Kala ko Sweet of Treats.
Sea of Dreams. Pwede mo na ano. Paano?
Settings.
Ayun.
Settings.
Ito.